Hi guys, it's Nick. I just wanted to share with you this experience I had this week, particularly as it's Tinnitus week. Lady came to see me for some auricular acupuncture to help her with her tinnitus. She had some hearing aids which she had bought from a high street chain. She'd had them for about 5 years, and as obviously part of my assessment, I do a full hearing assessment. And as you can see, she had quite a nasty high frequency hearing loss. And I'd just like to share with you how I managed to remove her tinnitus in about 10 seconds. All I did was I removed these domes that were fitted to the hearing aids, and instantly she said to me, "I don't believe it, my tinnitus is gone." Seriously, if you want hearing aids in North Devon, please come and speak to me first.